Hello Slaters, hope you all are doing well. Slaters, you all are doing an excellent job of being regular in watching the video lessons. Keep it up. In today's video, we will work on the textual exercises of the first chapter. If you feel that you need time to complete a question, then you can pause the video, finish the answer and resume again. So let's get started. Slaters, please turn to page number 178 of your textbook. Ready? Now the first bit of the exercise is to write true or false. So let's read the statement and mark true or false for each. The first one reads, a small family in which parents and children live together is called a single parent family. Children, what do you think? Is this statement true or false? Yes, the statement is false. The small family in which parents and children live together is called a... Very good. It is called a nuclear family. So put a false in front of that statement. Let's move to the next one. Hereditary features are passed on to us from our family. Is this true or false? Very good. This statement is true. We get certain physical features and habits from our parents as a hereditary feature. Very nice. So put the answer true in front of that statement. Let's see the next one. Relatives on the mother's side are called maternal relatives. What do you say, Slaters? Is it true or false? Nice! The statement is true. Relatives on the mother's side are called maternal relatives, and the relatives on the father's side are called paternal relatives. Well done. Now let's check the last one. Twins always look alike. Slaters, is this true or false? You all are right. It is false. Twins can also be non-identical or they do not look like each other. What are these kind of twins called? We had discussed this in the chapter, isn't it? Correct. They are called fraternal twins. Very well done, Slaters. Now let's move to the next bit. Now bit B asks you to put a tick mark on the correct answers from the options given. Now let's see the first one. Jim is Sophia's dash. The options given are cousin, niece and nephew. Did you all find the correct option? Very nice. The answer is nephew. Now who is a nephew, children? Good. Your brother or sister's son is your nephew. If you look at page 175, you will read that Aunt Sophia is Jim's father's sister. So Jim will be Sophia's nephew. Very nice. Now let's see the next one. Your father's mother is your dash. The options are maternal grandmother, paternal grandmother and paternal grandfather. Did you all find the correct one? Nice. The answer is paternal grandmother. Relatives from the father's side of family are called paternal relatives. So, father's mother is your paternal grandmother or dadima. Very good job. Now the last one is Ali is his grandparents' dash. The options are grandson, granddaughter, cousin. This one is very easy. Did you all get it? Yes, Ali is his grandparents' grandson. Can Ali be their granddaughter? No. Why? That is because he is a boy. Good job, Slaters. Let's go ahead. Now bit C consists of fill in the blanks. Let's start with this. The first blank reads grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins together form a dash family. Yes, Slaters, all of these together form a very good, a joint family. As more than one family unit is staying together or jointly, it will form a joint family. Very well done. Now let's check the next one. Your mother's father is your dash. Now Slaters, relatives of the mother's side are called awesome, maternal relatives. So, mother's father is called very good, maternal grandfather. Very well done. Now let's check the last one too. The relatives on the father's side are called dash relatives. This one is very simple, isn't it? What are they called? Good. They are called paternal relatives. P-A-T-E-R-N-A-L. Paternal relatives. Great work, Slaters. Now let's check bit B. Here we need to select the correct answer and tick mark on it. Ready? Let's start. How is my mother's daughter related to me? She is my dash. What do you think, Slaters? Mother's daughter. So she will be your sister. Very nice. So put the answer sister. Hari lives with his parents. He is a dash family. His is a dash family. So Slaters, the children who live with parents only live in which type of family? Good. His is a nuclear family. So you can write the answer nuclear in the given space. N-U-C-L-E-A-R. Nuclear. Good job. Now let's check the last one. My mother's brother has 2 children. They are my dash. Now mother's brother. So remember, Slaters, mother's relatives are maternal relatives, correct? So the answer will be maternal relatives or cousins. Very good. You all did an amazing work on the exercise. So Slaters, I will meet you again in the next video session. I would like you all to revise these exercises and keep learning the new words. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.